everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I bought a Amazon mystery box. So this is a mystery box full of makeup products, and I specifically searched for Amazon mystery box with makeup in it. So hopefully all of this is really makeup. So all I've done is open the box. I haven't looked in it. I haven't done anything, but we are going to go ahead and see what my Amazon mystery box is. I paid $42 for this mystery box, and like I said, I just googled Amazon mystery box and this is what I was sent, so I'm really excited. I've seen a few other YouTubers do this and I was just always intrigued about the cool things that they received, so I was really excited. I wanted to try it. Here it is. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh, there are a lot of products in here. Holy cow, guys, look at this. This is full of stuff. Awesome. Okay, let's see. The first thing I see, and I'm really excited about this, is a Burt's Bees blush. Now, I know I've mentioned in other videos how much I love Burt's Bees blush. I wear it pretty much every single day. I have it on today. This is the shade, oh, Shy Pink. This is the shade that I wear all the time. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, I love it. Yay. So far I'm happy, and it's only one little product. The next little thing I pulled out of here is a little thing of Vaseline lotion. That's kind of cool. The next little thing I pulled out of this box is this little 3 eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. I do like Wet n Wild products. I'm not 100% sold on their eyeshadows, so I don't know about this at all. It looks like it'd be something that's kind of old. Hopefully this makeup isn't old. Is there a date on this? I don't know. But it seems like you can't get these anymore. Well, let me know if you guys still see these out there. I haven't seen them in a while, so I don't know how old this is. Whatever, I don't care. It's sealed, it's fine, I'm sure. This is cool. Let's go ahead and look for the next thing. Oh, okay. This is kind of neat. This is the Pro Brow Pomade by Ardell. So Ardell makes false lashes. I absolutely love the false lashes by Ardell. And this is a brow pomade. So I have not really dipped into brow pomades a whole lot. So I'm really excited to try this out. And this looks like it's been opened. So maybe I won't be trying this out. Let's see if it's been used. Okay, it doesn't look like it's been used, so maybe the packaging just kind of came away from the box. It doesn't look like there's been any fingers or brushes or anything in there, so that's fine. That made me a little nervous when I saw that this wasn't really connected anymore. So it makes me think either this is old again, or that someone used it, but it does not look like someone has used it. So I am going to try it, and we will see how this works. That's pretty neat. All right, what is this? Oh, Sally Hansen nail art. Ooh, my daughter will love this. Oh, how cute. It's like little tubes with little beads in them that you can put and use as nail art on your nails. So that's kind of cute. I think I'll give that to my daughter though. She'll really like that. So this is the Maybelline Brow Drama Shaping Chalk Powder. So that's interesting. It sounds like there's a little like bead or something that's shaking in there, or it's all dried up because it's old, so who knows. This packaging does kind of look old. I wish there was actual dates on this, like years, so you knew how old it was. But I mean, it's a mystery box. I knew that it might not all be great stuff, but whatever, I don't care. I'm excited still. So that is that. This looks kind of neat. This is the Maybelline Dream Cushion Liquid Foundation. So it's a cushion foundation. I don't know if that shade's gonna look great on me or if it's a little bit too light. We'll see. I'll definitely give that a shot. Okay, this is really pretty. This is nail polish, and this is by who is it by? It does not say. Oh, Sally Hansen. But it does kind of look like there is nail polish remnants from another nail polish touching it. So I don't know if this has been opened or not. I'm not going to take any chances. It's a pretty color, but I'm not probably going to toss this instead of use it, just because I don't know what that is on the side there. Can you guys see that? it looks like someone did a polish swatch on the lid here. So I don't know if that's like new or used or what. Kind of makes me nervous. So this is the Maybelline Push Up Angle Mascara. And this again looks like it is really old packaging, and there is remnants of makeup on the side of this. So God, that's gross. So I don't know, this might get tossed too because this looks really old. There's dust on it. And what shade is it? Oh, brownish black. I mean, it's not opened. I might still give it a try. It's not opened. Moving on, we got this Ooh La Lash in 301 black. I've never heard of this brand, but these are kind of neat eyelashes, kind of like nice little simple natural eyelashes. They're pretty. It's sealed. I'm gonna try them. And let's see what's next. Ooh, Essie. I love Essie nail polish. So this is Essie, and what shade is this? Don't Be Chocolates. So this is a nice little brown Essie shade nail polish. I am going to keep this one because it is sealed up. And ooh, another mascara. This one is, I'm thinking again, it's kind of old. It's coming away from the packaging. This is the Rimmel Shake It Fresh Clump Free Volume Mascara. So this is something that I'll give it a try. We'll see how it goes. Again, the packaging is beat up, but it does not look like it's been tampered with or opened. So we'll go ahead and give this a try. It does look like it's an old product. Next is the Almay Intense Eye Color Evening Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so I'm actually gonna pop this out of here because I want to look at it more closely. So it looks like there's 3 little shades here. I've never seen these either. I have not seen these, so I don't know how old it is, but I mean, it is really pretty. I might give it away to somebody because it is really pretty, and I think I know someone who might like this. So I'm just going to I think put it over aside and give it to somebody. Very cute. I like it. Up next in our crazy little mystery box is this. This is the Color Stay, or Revlon Color Stay 24-hour foundation. It's matte finish for combination oily skin, and it is light honey. Let's see, what is this? Oh, I know someone who would absolutely love this. This is the Pond's Cold Moisturizing Cream. My best friend in the whole world wears this on her skin religiously. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and pass this along to her. I think she's gonna like it. Up next, oh, this is cool. This is a little eyeshadow palette. It kind of looks like there's 2 like little shimmers and 2 matte shades. This is pretty. This would almost be like a really cool blush as well. And I might use it as that. So this is it's called Unapologetic by Almay. And it is like an eyeshadow quad, but honestly, I think I might use this as a little blusher. Really cute, really pretty pinky shades. Next up is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 16-Hour Wear Pressed Powder. And I do like the Infallible foundation. I'm not 100% sold on the powder, but I do know someone that will really like this, so I might move this along to somebody else. Next up is this thing. It looks like a little lipstick, but it is a concealer, and it's by Rimmel. I've never seen this before, so I don't know how old it is, but it's really interesting. So it's like a little blemish concealer thing that used to be out quite a while ago. I'm thinking this is kind of old, so we might not be using this at all. But anyways, it's interesting. So last thing in this mystery box is this right here. This is the JOA Beauty Matte Velvet Lipstick, and it's in the shade Pie Bites. So it looks like just like a little nudie lipstick. I do like JOA Beauty. I do like some of their stuff, and I do really like their lipsticks, so I cannot wait to try this. It was a cute little mystery box, wasn't it? It was really interesting. It's the first time I've ever purchased one of these. I don't know if I'll ever do it again, but it was fun to do it at least once. So I actually received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 products in this little mystery box for $43. And I know if you added up all of these items, it comes to well more than $43. Or was it 43 or 41? I don't know, something like that. But it was a nice little box. I am excited that I did this. It was a fun little thing to try out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.